Welcome to watch this video, Accessing Your Librarians, Making an Appointment with Outreach Librarians, Part 1. Hi, my name is Kathy Wu. I'm the Government Information Librarian and the Outreach Librarian for Economics, Music, and Law at the University of Rochester. Are you looking for research materials and do not know where to start? Please remember that all the River Campus Outreach Librarians are here to help if you have any questions about research and the library service. This short video will show you how to find a librarian and make an appointment with a librarian and get the assistance you need. To find a librarian who is available to help you, you need to go to the River Campus Library's website. The website address is listed here. Once when you are at the River Campus Libraries, scroll down to Featured Resources and then select Schedule Consultation. On your screen, you will see a list of different libraries within the River Campus Libraries, such as Rochester Library, Art Music Library, Carlson Library. You can select any of these libraries. For example, when you select Rochester Library, Outreach, Learning, and Research, you will see a list of the librarians' names. You can select one librarian to meet with you. In this case, I select Robert Bergman, and I can see Bob's availability and select a day and a time that works for me and him. I hope you find this video useful. To learn more about making an appointment with your subject librarians, please watch a Part 2 video.